Okay, I just finished my row 12, which is the same as row 8. I'm just marking that. There we go. So you finished row 12. So now what? It says repeat rows 1 through 12 3 times or until your cloth is roughly a square shaped. So all you're going to do now is start back to this row 1 here in the repeating pattern of 1 through 12, and you just repeat those over and over and over until it is big enough. In the one I had done previously, this is where this is one batch of 12 right there. I think I did it 1, 2, 3. I think I did it 4 times, 3 or 4 times. Anyway, to make it until it was square, which that was roughly square. You can make it longer, and then it becomes like a placemat or a tea towel. Anyway, so I want you to keep doing that until it's at a point where you feel it's long enough. So I'm going to push this to the side, and I want to show you how you do that with your row counter. So we finished row 12, and it says repeat it. So we're back to row 1, not this row 1, this repeating section, row 1. So row 1 is knit. Oh, really? Okay, so I go back to knit. So knitting on this part, I'm going to knit right across. You go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm just about at the end of doing my row 1 again, because it said to repeat it, right? So I'm almost at the end, which was knit all the way across. So I'm just finishing that up, the last 3 stitches there. Okay, so now I have my row counter, and I just finished what would be the mysterious row 13, right? Because we had done row 12. This was now doing row 1 again. Like, is that row 13 or row 1? What is it? Well, I mean, it is in fact row 1. You're not going to do row 13 or you're going to get mixed up. How will you follow the pattern? You can't. So you in fact make your counter go back to row 1. So you're starting again. So what if I'd put my knitting down for a week and came back to it? I would look at my row counter and I would see, whoops, upside down, I would see that I had finished row 1. I'd go, oh, I know I finished a knit. So my next one is row, oh, sorry, whoop, I'm looking at the wrong part of the pattern. Here, I'd finished row 1. And so my next part is row 2, which is this repeating part. So that's what you would do next. And you just repeat these 12 rows until your washcloth is roughly a square, roughly as big as you want it to be. And I'll pick the next video up further through this project, because I want to show you what happens if, let's say, you run out of yarn. What are you going to do in the middle of a project? So that'll be the next video. Anyway, happy knitting.